Hey guys, this is my Maxi Cosi 5-in-1 Modular Travel System. It is an Aventurine Blue. I'm going to review and put together this. In front of me you can see the safety bar cup holder, the infant converter pieces, the wheels, the infant seat. That canopy belongs to the Bassinet, which converts into a child seat. There's the stroller base. And as you can see, the bassinet is currently in its seated position and it's missing the canopy. So step one is to unfold the base by lifting that handle. You'll pull up and push down on that bar. Like that. Next, we're going to place the wheels. Of course, you want the white part facing out. And you know you have it in when it clicks. You want to put it in straight up and down. For the rear wheels, you'll simply press it in, and again you should hear a click. Click. It's best to hold it as horizontal as possible to get it straight in. There is a button that will lock the wheels or unlock them. Here you just saw that I unlocked them. These are the infant seat adapters. You see there is I'll call it a button on each. On either side you'll see where that button clicks into the hole on the infant stroller, on the stroller base itself. This is the incorrect way to put the infant seat on. I wanted to make sure that you guys saw that the infant seat only goes on facing the handlebar. And you'll know it's in when both sides click. This is the correct way to place the infant seat. As you can see, the symbols on the side matches. And you press the buttons and lift up to take the infant seat off. The adapters also have a button, you see the little gray bar that you press up to pull straight up and remove the adapters. Now I'm placing the bassinet. You see the bassinet is equipped with the adapters and they snap in. You raise the canopy. The buttons on the side there actually rotate the bassinet. The bassinet can face forward like it just was, or facing the handlebars. it is acceptable for either way. I like it facing out. And that is because it will rotate forward to become a seat. There's a clip in the front to create the footing at the bottom of the bassinet. These clips are pretty snug, I think for good reason. The one that I'm about to clip is at the middle of the bassinet. There's kind of a bungee to it. It's difficult. I'm hoping that it'll loosen up. But of course, the tightness is there to support the weight of the child. It's probably best to fasten from the rear. There's also a strap in the back, which will be displayed later, that I am fastening now to make sure that the seated position is supported. And there it is, the seated position. The stroller is very easy to maneuver. I really like that. It's pretty light. There's also a safety bar that I'm placing now. It snaps in on both sides and it's sturdy. You're able to lift the bassinet out of the stroller base with that as well. That's the clip that allows for the seat to recline. I undid the step and I'm now undoing the bottom. You press the buttons to again recline or sit forward. And the stroller is not broken in yet, so it has a little resistance in the top part under the canopy, as you can see. I don't believe I'm hurting it by pressing to flatten it out. So now I'm going to show you how to fold the stroller. You are able to fold the stroller with the bassinet in. You slide the clip over and lift on that lever, and the seat will fold forward. To collapse the stroller, you'll pull up on those gray handles there, and then simply pull up on that bar that we pressed down in the beginning, and the stroller will rest on its own. As you can see, it's pretty light. Ta-da! Down by my feet is the cup holder. That is the one feature that I do not care for. Now I'm going to show you how to open the stroller. Pull the lever, pull up on the handlebar, and push out on the bar and it'll snap to an open. The bassinet will click and you're ready to go. Next, I want to display the infant seat. That lever is how you release it from the base. This is a rear-facing infant seat. The base has 2 anchors. It is anchored to the bottom. That bar, if your car is compatible with this base, you will lace it. That's the other anchor. That is an adjustable area that I'll show in a minute. That's the lever to the adjustable bottom to fit your car. You want the infant seat to be placed so that it's level. There's a line on the seat that will help you level it. So you pull the bar towards you and it'll lift for you to adjust this is the portion of the seat that will go towards the back of the car. And you pull the bar towards you to also flatten it as well. So it goes up and down until your seat is level. That is the seatbelt bar. If your car does not have anchors, then you will lace the seatbelt through that area there and over the top of the car seat. And of course, make sure that you put the infant seat in correctly. Next, I'm going to show you parts of the infant seat. That tab there, you pull to tighten the harness, and through there you push down to release the harness, and then you would pull the buckle pieces to loosen. So you see the lever lifting. You want to make sure that your child's back is completely to the back of the car seat and the bottom is seated flat. There are 4 areas to adjust the harness. The harness should be stationed just below the shoulders. So make sure you adjust each seat to the height and weight of your child. That pad is removable, as you see. You just move the harness off of it and place it between the grooves to replace it. To undo the chest strap, you'll push the button and pull them apart. Push the red button to release the bottom portion. That chest strap you want right at the chest area. You don't want it too high and you don't want it too low. The harness should fit pretty snugly. You want to pinch the straps at the shoulder. If there's any slack, then the harness is too loose. Here I am showing you how to adjust the straps. You'll unlink it from the clip there, and you would just lace it through. You'll either pull it out or push it through the hole there to readjust based on the height and weight of your child, of where those straps should be just below the shoulders. And if you'll take note of the sewn parts, you want the sewn parts of the straps facing towards you. They should not be flipped around. And to relatch them, you just put it through the groove and make sure that the strap is completely in there. So you should see the end of the anchor on both sides, just like that.